It's been kind of raining and it hasn't been great weather.
You're right. Absolutely. No question there. And today wasn't as nice as we anticipated, Julie. We had forecasted 70 when John was here this morning. He goes, well, maybe 68, 69. Mace did the noon show. He goes, oh, it's only going to be 68. And the reason for that is basically we just didn't break out with full sun, which we anticipated. Now, the one thing that you need to know if you're sitting at home going, wait, is tomorrow going to be the same way? No, because what's going to happen tomorrow is we're just going to get a tiny bit of rain in the morning, barely a lot, barely any. It's just not really showing up as much. And then we get really warm tomorrow because we're going to break out early and have lots of sun.
Fantastic.
I know, great news. Let's take a look at what happened today. So we have, of course, the time lapse to kind of keep us informed, that's for sure. And you can see that that cloud deck tried to break up and the days are short. The sun angle is low. We are sitting at, in the tail end of October. So all those things were part of the factor of what happened today. But tomorrow, again, that morning front will be very minor, and then we will pop up into the low 70s, and then we'll start to drop off with those cooler temperatures this weekend anticipated. Now, if you are going to be traveling up north, look at this, looking really good. We're talking 50s, 60s, upper 50s, lots of sunshine, a bit on the breezy side on Friday. If you're going to head out in the lakes, be aware of that, but it should be just great for hiking and seeing all the fall foliage that is, of course, peaking in many locations across the region. The winds are stirring tonight and the south winds are pulling in a lot of warm air. So we anticipate temperatures building as we get into the evening hours, which doesn't happen too often in October, but tonight is one of those nights. So we did top out so far at 66. That average is 58. The record is 86. That was set back in 1938. The sunset tonight at 6:26, so not far from where we are right now. That is what I mean about those shorter days. And precipitation-wise, we've had about 1/100 of an inch of precipitation, not much. So you can see our beautiful shot from our VAX TV friends in the Water Street Inn. It's right now at the airport, 64 degrees with a south to southeast wind at 11. That dew point is up there at 59. You can feel it, and it feels pretty good to have a higher dew point in October. It feels warmer with that, that's for sure. But that's also one of the reasons the atmosphere is having a hard time clearing out is because of the higher dew points. Where it did clear out today, look at the temperatures. It was in the low 80s in Laverne. Now with the sun setting, 75, 72 in Wilmer, and 64 here, 57 up in Duluth, 63 in Grand Rapids with that rain lifting north this morning. Our look ahead does call for temperatures to warm to about 67 at 10 o'clock. I think it's probably plausible. Of course, this is a computer forecast through the 1 o'clock in the morning. So this is that cool front that I mentioned. Now, what's going to happen overnight is it's going to fall apart a little bit. So we will stay warm. We'll have the south wind all night, and then this will come through, swing through, and give us a shot of a little bit of morning shower activity. You watch the clock here. You can see the south winds. Then you can see what happens. It kind of falls apart. Here it is tomorrow morning, maybe a sprinkle or two. And then in the afternoon, right after the lunch hour, the winds pick up, the skies clear out, and I do think we'll be in the low 70s. And then we'll cool off as we head into Saturday and Sunday. But we have plenty of sunshine on track at that point in time. So tonight we'll dip down to 62, a stray shower not out of the question, a mild night, my goodness. Then tomorrow 72 with an isolated shower in the morning and breezy conditions, 72 as I mentioned. And then we're cooler and drier this weekend, 64 and 59, windy on Monday and 64.